Very good afternoon.
Good afternoon. We have a delicious recipe. You made this in the past with the sea bass, but today we're using this special fish from Japan.
Managatsu.
Yes, and this is called silver pomfret in the Mediterranean, Southeast Asia, and it's regarded as a really expensive and sought-after fish. Very buttery in taste.
Yes. This is actually for the belly side.
Okay.
The top side we made the sushi and sashimi, so
Right.
on other video. So I'm gonna do this is today. I'm going to do a miso marinade.
Okay.
Then after
just
marinade, at least overnight to 2 days.
Okay.
Then after just a grill. It's a very simple dish, but this is
do
my
it, Hiro.
favorite one.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
So wait, let's talk about this miso also. This is
That's like a little bit sweet, the white miso.
okay. No white miso. Very good. Okay. Hiro.
Okay, first we're gonna cut into the portion. So, if it's in the restaurant, I wanna set up to the nice way. For today, I just gonna cut like this. Okay, you might wanna use this one.
Okay. Yes, use everything.
And this one also I'm gonna keep it.
Okay.
You know, for the restaurant, I just cut off this one and to make a nice shape. I will go with this.
And this was about $30 a pound. Whole. And
Yeah, almost $30 a pound.
Yeah, $29.50, and the whole fish was $150. Sushi is so expensive, and this is our cost.
So I put in here. So I'm gonna do put some miso here.
Now, if they can't get this fish, Hiro, what can people try at home?
What kind of fish?
Yeah, with the psycho miso.
Sake miso?
What kind of fish instead of
Spanish
the
mackerel is very good.
Spanish mackerel? Okay.
Spanish mackerel is very good, and of course Chilean sea bass a little bit cost, but Chilean sea bass miso is very good.
How about cod? I've seen cod and miso.
Cod miso is okay. Yeah, cod miso is okay.
Okay.
Then also maybe you can try tide fish.
Tall fish?
Tide fish.
Okay.
Like we call amadai. Let's do.
So it's pretty thick, Hiro, as you see here.
This miso?
Yeah.
Yes, today's miso is I don't mix with the sake and the sugar. For the shibas, last time we made it, I put a little sake and sugar.
Okay.
Today I'm gonna shake.
So you just kind of cover up the fish.
Right.
Got it.
So like this, I'm gonna keep at least overnight. I mean the 1 day
Okay.
and 2 days, right?
All right. Very good.
And
Hiro.
after that, taken out from miso and then put it in the oven and make it good.
So we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, we are back.
Yeah.
But not after 24 hours, after 2
Yeah.
minutes, because
Little question about this one, right?
right, I was asking Hiro, what about this part here?
Of course, before you put in the fish, you can put it into the miso.
Yeah.
Then put it back to the container too. But this is not so much the problem because after meat sitting to the miso, how they call that? It's water coming from the fish, making anyway miso, making soft.
Making it soft.
Kind of more the how they call the
More
watery.
liquidy, yeah. More
Yeah, liquid.
Okay.
So then,
Decide.
yeah.
All right.
And then of course maybe 8 hour after 8 hour or something, you can little bit rotate
Okay.
too, you know.
So let's see what happens.
Yeah, so
In 24
let's
hours.
see. 24 hours to 48 hours.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Tomorrow.
Yes, so after 2 days, the fish is ready.
Let's take a look at the sides again
Okay.
here, because I know we talked about that. Yeah. So the miso basically covered
So
everything.
this one actually 2 days or 3 days depend on the how the meat is thicker.
Yes.
So you can keep a little bit more longer too.
Okay.
But should be okay for 2 days. So this is actually 2 days marinated condition,
Yes.
So you can see it now. So I'm gonna pick up from the miso right now. Let's see.
So you remove the extra miso.
No.
Okay.
This is the belly side. Okay. So just taking off the extra miso. I'm gonna put onto the tray. Okay, nice. Okay, then I'm going to put it to the oven.
Okay. What temperature here?
For today's 350
350.
for 10 minutes.
Okay. Oh, it smells really, really good.
It's good, right?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna put everything here, okay?
Okay.
So maybe 2 pieces is enough for the 1 person, but I'll just put everything here. What is two? Okay, it's very simple, but like this. So managatsuo, saikyo miso
Nice.
marinade.
Beautiful, Hiro. I'll tell you what, it smells great. Can't wait to try it. Thank you so much.
Hi, thank you very much.
Guys, like this video at home, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you very soon. Thank you.
Hi, thank you.
Hiro-san, the best part of all, tasting.
Yes, this is for today's my breakfast and lunch today.
Nice, nice.
So I have my rice here.
Okay, itadakimasu. Enjoy.
Okay, first I'm gonna do tasting.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go for this part. Wow. Oh.
Let's take a look at it. Hold it up to the camera. Let's take a look. Nice, nice, beautiful.
Right.
Oh yeah. Enjoy. Good, good. I can tell you, it smells so good. That miso in the oven. So you see this in many other restaurants with sea bass as well as cod. Many popular restaurants serve it.
You know, Anyway, this fish, this skin, you have to eat this skin.
The skin, right?
Yeah, actually, very good part. This one. This one.
Let's take a look at that. Oh, nice. No, it's okay. Enjoy.
Skin is very good.
Very good, right?
Very good parts. And
Well,
now,
enjoy that fresh white rice with it. Look at
Nice
that.
too.
Wow.
no.
The best part is that
So-
you made it.
So Japanese way, bake the
Look at
fish and rice, and then I wish have a miso soup here.
Oh yeah,
Perfecto.
be really authentic, traditional Japanese food.
And that's how we made the sunomono. Remember?
Yes.
Sunomono, miso soup, grilled fish, rice.
Oh yeah.
Perfect combination.
So good. And this is very, very simple. You just need to find the Saiko miso as well as the
Yeah,
fish.
try the. This fish is Managato a little bit difficult to get, be honest. But I try with the snapper.
Okay. Snapper as well as cod. Cod is pretty
Yeah, cod
easy.
is good. Cod is
Yeah.
actually good.
Yeah, cod is really good. I see that in many Japanese restaurants. We'll put a link below to this miso down in the Amazon store. You guys check it out. You'll see which one Hiro's using. Well, Hiro, enjoy the rest of your lunch. Breakfast
Thank
at
you
lunch.
very much.
See you guys soon. Thank you
Thanks.
so much. Bye-bye.